5 programming languages to learn in 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 programming languages that you should consider learning in 2023. Whether you're a beginner looking to start a career in tech or a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set, these languages will be in high demand and offer great career opportunities. Number 1. Python. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language that's perfect for beginners. It's known for its simple syntax and has a wide range of applications, including web development, machine learning, and data science. Number 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is a must-learn language for anyone looking to work with web development. It's used to create interactive and dynamic websites, and with the increasing popularity of front-end frameworks like React and Angular, the demand for JavaScript developers is only going to increase. Number 3. Go. Go, also known as Golang, is a relatively new programming language that's quickly becoming popular among developers. It's known for its simplicity and performance, making it perfect for building high-performing web applications and microservices. Number 4. Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that's known for its focus on safety and performance. It's becoming increasingly popular for building high-performance, low-level systems, and is being used by companies like Mozilla, Dropbox, and Coursera. Number 5. Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern programming language that's designed to be fully interoperable with Java. It's becoming increasingly popular for Android app development and is now officially supported by Google. So there you have it, those are the 5 programming languages that you should consider learning in 2023. Remember, the most important thing is to just start learning and keep learning, and with hard work and perseverance, you'll be able to master any of these languages. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.